Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP, on Ripple. And I hear some of you already saying that, well, everything is pumping in the market. XRP really isn't. Why are you covering XRP? And I kind of agree with that. All right, XRP at this point of time definitely is not the hottest crypto. We've basically just consolidated here in this area between 60 cents and 56 cents, and we haven't even touched 60 cents twice. So there's not a lot going on for XRP right now, but regardless, I wanted to keep you updated on that because I know a lot of you are interested in that. I'm personally still interested in XRP. It's still on my watch list. We're pretty close to getting a bullish breakout here. And obviously there's major news, right? So I always think one of my favorite trades to take is when there are some fundamentals backing up a certain trade. And at this point of time, with the 6th of October coming closer and closer, like it seems less and less likely that the SEC will actually appeal the judgment of the beginning of August. So that's obviously bullish. And we already got some bullish momentum coming in for that, in my opinion, at least right here, right? So the 12th of September into the 15th of September, we already saw some strength here. And what you see at this point of time as well is that it's a very mixed bag, but there's still momentum coming in and still some big whales, it seems like at least, are also positioning themselves for some sort of news with XRP. And if you look at all of these open interest spikes, so those are whales positioning, or at least, like, you never know, right? But it's big traders, it's groups, it's funds positioning themselves, because you can see the CVD spiking up with a big open interest spike. That's bullish. And right now the open interest is going up again. So as some of you know, I'm getting more and more biased towards not expecting an appeal. I think that's a bullish fundamental event. And then if you look at the technical situation, with such a big resistance level right here at 60 cents and the trend line, but I already said about that what I wanted to say. I mean, a trend line like this, I know that there's a lot of people who think trend lines are shit and you should never listen to them. I think that's false. I think trend lines can be very, very handy sometimes. But just in general, 60 cents breaking above that with the fundamentals coming up, I already think that's a major bullish breakout we cannot ignore. And with the open interest going up, with the momentum coming going up earlier this morning, I do think that we need to be focused on XRP. Not completely, right? So other altcoins right now are probably more interesting, but I do think you need to keep an eye on XRP. Also, XRP right now against Bitcoin is also not doing great, but it is also at support, so that's interesting too, right? So that means that there's a higher likelihood that XRP will outperform a bit against Bitcoin, and that's interesting, well, for two reasons. Bitcoin is bullish, so that means that XRP could get more bullish. But on the other side, Bitcoin is also at resistance, so that could also mean that if Bitcoin pulls back here, XRP is able to hold on tight. Then XRP against Bitcoin also bounces, right? It doesn't necessarily mean that XRP has to be bullish. It can also mean that XRP falls down a little bit less. So I think it's a bit too early to talk about the breakout for now. I think it's more likely we will stay in this consolidation range we have been staying in. But I do think the breakout is coming close. All right, and I'll keep you updated on that, of course. I will probably long if that actually happens, just so you know. And keep in mind as well that if we actually do get the appeal, then first of all, I was wrong, and then this whole idea is invalidated, because then, at least on the short term, I do expect a pretty sharp dump. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and bye.